Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable ATM withdrawal on your HDFC Bank debit card. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, select Debit Card from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to your debit cards page, where all the debit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred debit card. You will be navigated to Debit Card Summary page. Now locate the section called Limits and Restrictions. Click on Customize link next to it. You will be navigated to a page where you can adjust daily limits and restrictions. On this page, you can find two sections, Domestic and International. Under each section, you can customize various options. Ensure that both domestic and international usage are enabled. To enable ATM withdrawals, toggle the button next to ATM withdrawal to turn it on. Now use the slider to adjust ATM withdrawal limit as needed. After making your changes, click the Confirm button. Click Continue. Verify your debit card details. Select the expiry date as shown on your debit card. Enter your ATM PIN. Click Continue. That's it, your changes has been applied. This is how you can enable ATM withdrawals on your HDFC Bank debit card. Thank you for watching.